a natural joint supplement that's safer than Advil and can improve collagen production. That's just some of the claims being made for a supplement called Juicy Joint. So these are the claims being made for Juicy Joint: natural pain relief, increased recovery, boost collagen, improves mobility, kidney health, third-party tested, and 10 times better absorbed. Number one, some of these claims look like they might raise a red flag with those at the FDA. For example, boost collagen, kidney healthy. These are things that are kind of in the gray area, because when you have a supplement, there are certain things you can't say. You can't, for example, make a drug-like claim. Boosting collagen sounds like a drug-like claim to me, as would natural pain relief. That said, I think there might be some evidence for at least one of their claims. Let's look at the ingredients next. Here's the supplement facts label for Juicy Joint, and as you can see, 1 milliliter, or 1 squeeze of this supplement, is giving people 400 milligrams of a proprietary blend composed of these 7 ingredients. Now, if we set aside my thoughts on proprietary blends, 2 of these ingredients jump out at me. They are meadowbark herb and white willow bark, and that's because both of these ingredients contain compounds called salicylates. Salicylates are a family of compounds which includes salicylic acid, better known as aspirin. Now keep in mind, there is no aspirin in Juicy Joint, but these ingredients would be expected to exert at least some minor pain relieving effect. And because salicylates may have a blood thinning effect, those people who take blood thinners should probably exercise the same caution as they would with aspirin and other blood thinners. As for the other claims being made for Juicy Joint, such as boosting collagen production, I see no human evidence for any of that. And while we're on the topic, I'm also not aware of any research on the Juicy Joint supplement itself. So if you're going to try this supplement, go into it with eyes wide open. And as for me, I'm going to remain skeptical on Juicy Joint until I see research on this supplement that proves otherwise.